You have the ability to request eligibility information for a group of patients based on appointment date range, or for a single patient for a particular service date range. In this video, we will cover requesting eligibility information for a single patient. To do this, click the Payer Inquiries tab, and then in the Account Number field, enter or search for the patient's account number. Once the patient has been accessed, you can click the Eligibility tab. Next, you can select the case and insurance you want to request eligibility information for, if needed, and then click the Request tab. In the Request area, the Submit for Account Number should default checked, and the patient's account number should follow. If the Submit for Account Number option is not checked, click that option now. The provider information will default in the Requesting Provider field if the information was pre-configured in the patient screen for this patient. The qualifier, type, and taxonomy will default from the provider screen if these items were configured. You can add and modify the information in these fields as needed. The requesting provider and qualifier are required. Next, in the Request Type field, select the applicable request type. Typically, this is 472 service. And then in the Service From field, enter the start date for the eligibility request. Typically, the Service From date is the only date that is needed, and the Through date is not needed except for when requesting information for a hospital visit that spans a specific date range. Now, in the Eligibility Benefit Service Type field, select the service type. Typically, this is 30 or 98. The Request Type, Service From, and Eligibility Benefit Service Type fields are required. Do note, if you click the Retain Service Information option, the system will automatically save the information configured in these three fields until you log out of Practice Manager. Once all of the information is configured as desired, click the Submit Request button. Your request will now be transferred and you will be taken to the Submitted List tab. In the Submitted List, you will see your submitted requests. The eligibility replies are color-coded to assist you when viewing. A submitted eligibility will remain green until a response is received. A red reply indicates that the submission was rejected because something was missing or incorrect in the eligibility submission. A black reply indicates a successful transaction, but does not necessarily mean that the patient is eligible. To view the eligibility reply, click the Refresh button until the green request turns black or red, and then highlight the appropriate eligibility reply, and then click the View Reply button.